Okay, I'm gonna show you what happened here. But so my daughter, we broke this fan right here. It got kind of mangled. Yeah. Kind of show you right here what happened. You got broken there, and then it broke here. I tried repairing it and it didn't work at all. So anyway, I ordered a new one. It was like $64 from Rock Auto. Not sponsored. Wish I was, but I'm not. So anyway, same thing. So that is what I'm putting in. They're cheap. Let's hope it works. It's almost the same. thing will not start. Yeah? I'm recording. What's up? I'm back. Adding antifreeze since it sucked it all out. See, I'm using old antifreeze. You're not supposed to, but hey. I got leftover. Being frugal. Trying to get it to filter. Should work. Oh, Jesus, that's not good. This isn't gonna work. Not a good idea. I thought it was, but it's not. It's pretty nasty stuff. It's getting there. Oops, that's not good. Oh, that's chunks. It's finished. That's how this thing works. Oh, I gotta get rid of that one. That's gross. That's not chunkies. It's only the best for the Ford. Wrong. It's not gonna hurt it. I have two daughters that drove this car to death, so they didn't kill it. So. That's something to say about Ford. Let's see if this piece of junk will fire off. Ugh. They dropped the inner feet all over the thing. Let's see. I don't know if I like the keys. Can I get an eye back? No, I don't. Well, I'm gonna crawl underneath this thing, so. Anyway, that's it for putting this in. It should work just fine. I'll get back to you guys to see where it goes.